So all new flooring will be in here. That's one of the light fixtures. This is the dining room. This is all of our boxes, y'all, of lighting, ceiling fans, vessel sinks, all the things. But I just wanted to share a little sneak peek. So this door will actually be painted in a color polished silver. This is some new lighting that we have up. All this flooring will come out. I mean, when I say it's a total renovation, it is a total renovation. The French doors will be painted a gray. This is one of the rooms. This is the actual living room. We're gonna do a whitewash on the fireplace, which I'm really excited about. So excuse all the mess, but it is a process. So all this flooring will come up. This is the breakfast nook area. This is the kitchen where I'm currently working on decluttering for her. I mean, seriously. But all the cabinets will be painted, all new granite countertops. We will have a backsplash on the wall. As you can see, this has never been updated. The house was built in the 80s and it is gonna be beautiful when we're done, and I can't wait. So that's just a little sneak peek. It does have an upstairs. Let me show you that light fixture that's put up. Share this with you. I did a little video while the workers were gone because it gets loud in here. All right, so there's a chandelier. Master bedroom. We got another bedroom over here. So y'all stay tuned. Super excited. Can't wait to share the process with y'all.